Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in today's video, guys, as usual, I'm gonna go through AMC and GME price action. We had today some very interesting price action. The global market dropped heavily, GME was up, AMC almost flat. So let's analyze all of that. Let's get into it. Oh, right, yes, I'm gonna start with AMC. I'm gonna, as usual, start by reminding you guys what I was saying in yesterday's video. So I was bullish. I was telling you that we have reached the 61.8% fib ratio of the first move up, which I believe is only the first wave. I think we are in the second wave, and I was saying yesterday that we have reached 21, which was a strong support. And also the 61.8% fib ratio. I was also telling you guys that we are arriving on the at the neutral area of the RSI at 50. So let's analyze what happened today. First, we dropped by a little bit less than 4% when the global market was tanking, guys, by 2.5%, even almost 3% during the day. I'm talking here about the Nasdaq QQQ. So it's not that a bad day, and I have some good information as usual to show you. So first, the RSI has only, yesterday the RSI was at 51.5, I think, something like that, and right now the RSI on AMC daily time frame, guys, is at 49.9. okay, 49.91. I told you in yesterday's video that between 45 and 55, usually we see some reaction for the bulls. I'm going to show you what happened today. It's very interesting. But the first thing is that the RSI has only reached right now at the end of the day the 50 neutral area. So the second thing I wanted to show you guys is that we are below the 21 level, which is, let's be honest, not very good, but I'm going to show you how we went there. And the good thing that I see is that we arrive just on the 20-day moving moving average at 19.8, which is usually acting as support. So we are in an area of support between 19 and 21. Even if we're below 21, I'm still bullish. I told you yesterday that I'm expecting the third wave to start either today, which didn't happen, or tomorrow. So I think it's going to happen tomorrow. Of course, it can happen later. I don't know. This is only my view. Once again, my analysis is based on fib ratios, on moving averages, on support, resistances, on the energy that the market has when I look at the RSI, on the volume, on the volatility. And today, when I look at the volume, I have some interesting information. I can see we had a stronger volume for the first time. And you're going to tell me, yeah, but it happened on a red day, so it's not good. And you are right to tell me that. This is what I would tell you. But the interesting thing, guys, for those who have followed the price action during the day, I did, because I bought this morning. So I didn't. I lost just a little bit of money today in my trades, because I bought at the beginning of the day, and I want to show you what happened at the beginning of the day. So whenever you see this increase in volume, it's interesting to know where this bigger volume is coming from. Is it coming from a red candle or green candle? So let's zoom in. I go on the hourly time frame, and bam, I can see that the bigger volume of the day occurred just after the open on a red candle. So once again, I'm gonna say, so it's a victory of bears. And when I look at this candle, I can see that it's the candle that actually went to 21.9, guys, and we had a very actually bullish reaction during this candle. And let me show you guys that even better. Let's go on the 15-minute time frame, and here finally it's clear. We see what happened. And once again, for those who were here during the day, what happened, guys, is that the global market was tanking and AMC started to rally. We had this negative beta that we always see during some very strong moves up that AMC is doing. At least this is what happened. The five past times AMC moved strongly higher last year, in the last year. And here, as you can see, those two green bars, which are definitely the biggest volume we have seen for the past week, I would say the past 5 days. And those two green bars happened once again on a strong bullish reaction of bulls, which for the first time happened. And where did it happen? It happened around 21. So I would say that bulls tried hard today. I was buying here. I bought just before those candles. I was not buying during the move up, but I bought just before. Maybe some of you bought here, and maybe some of you were bullish. I was bullish. I was looking at the rest of the market. Look at that, guys. I have prepared that. This is triple Q. So let's check the timestamp. The timestamp is here, bam, 6 April at 16. Okay, so I have probably French hour, whatever. I take the same timestamp, 6 April 16, and you can see that the Nasdaq triple Q during these candles was dropping strongly. So we had the global market going down during this 15 minutes, and AMC and GME, I'm going to show you that as well, going higher. So this is very positive. This is the first time we see that in the past week. This is some negative beta that took place. I don't know if it was some shorts covering, probably not, because once again, I think shorts are going to cover higher. But it's a good sign to see this negative correlation at play. So this to me was the good news that we had today. I was here full of hope. I was thinking that we're gonna finally start this third wave. We didn't. Bears got the best of it. It's like that. This is trading, guys. We never know what's going to happen, but at least I'm happy to see that we had this strong bullish reaction when the global market was tanking. And once again, if the global market was going strongly higher today, maybe we would have a massive move up of AMC. Maybe. It's not easy to say, but what we can say is that even with the global market moving strongly lower, AMC did quite a good performance to me and was trading positively at the beginning of the day. Then we got rejected here, guys, around this trend line. So on the hourly time frame, I think this is this is the 20-hour moving average, simple moving average. So as you can see, it's acting as resistance. So right now we are consolidating here. So guys, let's be very honest. I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm happy to see this consolidation. We always have those small consolidation, then either we go lower or higher. So the past 3 times we got them, we went lower. I hope that this time we're gonna go higher. Once again, I think that on the daily time frame, we see that we are in a support area. We see that the RSI is at 50. I have many reasons to believe that bulls start to really attack the price action by buying massively, like we saw this morning, despite the global market tanking. So maybe once again bears are gonna get the best of it tomorrow. I don't know, but I think that bulls are gonna make one more attempt. I bought today. Tomorrow I don't think I'm gonna buy. I'm probably not gonna buy, but I'm gonna buy next Monday. I have a program, so I'm just gonna follow my program, what I share in Discord, by the way. And I can sum up what I said in my yesterday's video. I think that whenever we're gonna start to move higher and we see this volume increase, I'm happy to see this volume increase. Even if it's on a red day, it happened, the big volume happened during green candles. This is some volume that is created by bulls. So even if at the end of the day, bulls lost money, which is not good, I'm still happy to see this increase in volume. And I had a question this morning in my Discord, which was, what signal can make you very sure, very confident that the third wave is starting? And my answer was, we need to close above 32, 33, all right? So as long as we don't see this close above 32, 33, maybe the third wave is not going to start right now. Maybe we're going to keep consolidating, even maybe dropping, I don't know. But I really believe the third wave is going to come very, very soon. So let's see. I'm going to anyways analyze everything with you guys. To me, this price action is still bullish, as can be seen on the RSI side, that is still above 50. Okay, little bit below 50. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. I'm of course bullish. We are just above the 20-day moving average. We had some strong reactions on the volume at the beginning of the day. We had some negative beta at play, and I have also some good news. Look at triple Q. So triple Q 15 minutes, I showed you that, guys. So once again on triple Q. And also I had a comment yesterday on my video that was saying, I hope you're not gonna lose too much money. And guys, I'm long AMC, of course, but I'm short the rest of the market. So today I made money despite the move down on AMC because I short QQQ here. I can show you that, guys. This is in my Discord. So today those are my trades. So I bought some AMC here, April 14th, 27 call, May 20th, 40 call. And I reduced my short position on triple Q. As you can see here, I bought at 351.5 and at 351. I bought 100 shares of triple Q that I was short. So I made money today. And as you can see, the reason why I bought here, guys, is because I sold here because this was a resistance, and I bought here, guys, because this is a support. Simple. So I don't know what's going to happen, but I think my view was that yesterday, and it's still the same. I think this is what's going to happen. So let's see. Maybe tomorrow we're going to break out below that. If it happens, I don't know what's going to happen on AMC. Maybe we're going to have a negative beta at play, but let's be honest, it's better to have a bull market. It's easier for AMC to go higher. And here I'm happy to see that at least we have completed this move. Yesterday I was telling you guys that I don't know what's going to happen on the global market, but that I'm bearish. And today I'm not bearish anymore. I'm now neutral. I took profit on my short position personally. I'm not building a long position on QQQ yet, but I'm having some long positions on AMC, on GME, on different stocks. I'm going to keep buying AMC and other stocks, guys. I have a portfolio made of many stocks. I have a diversified investment. So of course, I'm having a bigger position on AMC and GME, especially right now that I increased recently, because I believe that something big can happen, but I can lose money on that because I made money, guys, on the rest of the stocks, on the rest of the market during the past 3 months. I made quite good money. So this is the reason why I can take this risk. And even if AMC drops, I'm going to be fine. I'm going to be fine. I'm going to hold my position. So I just want to tell you that, guys, because I don't want to encourage some of you to go too big on AMC. Just buy what you can lose. This is what I'm personally doing. I only invest what I can lose. Whenever I buy some call options on AMC, I know that maybe I'm going to lose all of this money, and if it happens, I'm fine with that. Okay, so just something that is important for you guys to know. Let me finish quickly my view on QQQ. So we had an increase in volume, as you can see here. The Fed minutes were, to me, not hawkish, not dovish. I mean, they gave a lot of information about the pace with which they're gonna buy back their assets. So no big information to me from here. And right now, I think that the market needs to take a direction. I think it's going to be an upside. If it's the case, it's going to be good for AMC. Now, let me show you guys what happened on GME. Because GME, guys, was up today, up 2%, all right? So, whatever can be said, this is a negative beta that lasts until the end of the day. We are here still above this trend line that is acting very well as support. The problem with this kind of trend line is that they're going lower. So every day that is passing, the support is drifting lower. All right, fair enough. But to me, this is a very strong price action, just like I was saying yesterday. We can analyze here the same way what happened on the 15-minute time frame, and you guys can see that. So here we didn't have this very big increase in volume, but we still had this negative beta at play. And at some point during the day, GME was trading at almost 160. Let's go on the daily time frame. Let's check the RSI of GME. How is it? Guys, the RSI is still very high at 58, higher than yesterday. So this is still very bullish. Once again, I had also some questions telling me, if you think that GME is more bullish than AMC, why do you buy AMC and not GME? And I answered, but I can answer again. The reason behind is that those two stocks for the past year are moving together. Basically, what I did, and I explained that during my live, but maybe some of you were not here. I just I checked in the past year where the biggest volume was traded on AMC and GME. And it was at 87 on GME. At that time, AMC was trading at 14.5. We also had a lot of volume trading at 130 on GME. So I can show you that, guys, where it was. But I mean, the 130 is coming from here. Okay, we had here a lot of volume that was trading recently. At that time, AMC was trading, it was here, guys, at 20, bam. Sorry. Just a sec, sorry about that, guys. Bam. Okay, at that time AMC was trading at 21, then 250, AMC was trading at 45. You can go and check. It's gonna take too much time to show you all of that in this video, guys, but basically I checked where we had the most volume trading, and what I think is whenever you have a big volume trading, this is a level that is considered as a fair level. All right, guys, so I checked then the ratio between the levels between AMC and GME each time we had a lot of volume trading. And I saw that this ratio was always between 5.7 and 6.8. So then I considered that this is the fair ratio, roughly 6, and using that I can know what is the fair price of AMC if GME is trading at 156, and the answer is this divided by 6 is 26, guys. Okay, so right now AMC is trading at 20.4 and it should trade at 26. So AMC is trading at a discount, and this is the reason why, and I'm not the only one that is doing that. I'm sure that a lot of traders are doing that, and this is the reason why maybe some of you are wondering why those two are always moving together. It's because their correlation is very positive for the past year. And whenever this happens, whenever you have two assets that are moving always together with a massive volume, a lot of traders are playing the spread, okay? And I'm monitoring the spread. So once again, I'm sure I'm not the only one to do that. And I can tell you guys that that some big money players are gonna buy a lot of AMC soon, okay? Or sell GME. But once again, the price action is very bullish on GME, so I believe they're gonna prefer to buy AMC, which makes more sense. So this is the reason why, and right now the spread is at 24%. Yesterday it was 20%, today is 24%. It's the biggest spread I've seen in the past 2 weeks between those two. So once again, maybe the spread is gonna go to 30%, maybe 40%, but I can tell you that at some point it's gonna come back to 0 or something close to 0, and it's gonna stay there. Maybe one day it's gonna diverge, but right now those two stocks are representing the meme movement, and I don't see any reason why what we had in the past year would no longer be here. So this is the reason why I think that AMC is trading at a discount compared to GME. Now let's go back on GME price action. What else can we say? We can quickly check the FIB. So we had a perfect rebound on the 38.2% FIB ratio at 153 today. We have a positive RSI. We don't have the volume getting bigger, so the price action is still calm on GME. So once again, maybe we're gonna have GME just staying here and AMC doing a strong move up, or maybe we're gonna have those two moving together. I don't know. But to me, AMC is trading at a discount and GME is extremely bullish. So this is the reason why I'm that bullish on AMC. But once again, I don't know what's gonna happen, and I'm gonna keep updating you guys about all of that. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.